cleaning Oriental Rug, the finest Oriental Rug from dog and cat urine odor, deliver a big challenge. So I decide to build the XpetPee machine and put together the cleaning product from the Dead Sea. This acidic cleaning product, it's odor-free and designed to kill the bacteria that cause the bad odor. The XpetPee machine works different than any other carpet cleaner in the market. I clean Oriental Rug through the rug, through the fiber. Every fiber will be washed thoroughly, and the foundation of the rug, the area that nobody can reach, clean too. PetPeePee is a nationwide service. We provide a service around the globe. And customers that watch my video ship me the Oriental Rug from all over to clean it the right way. Cleaning the Oriental Rug to a perfection. Clean it with a guarantee in writing. Color will never run. Removing the urine odor completely. Clean the Oriental Rug is the easy task. However, the main concern, the main reason that everyone send me the Oriental Rug to be clean is the removal of the urine odor completely without masking the Oriental Rug with a vanilla deodorize. Because when you use a vanilla deodorize on a pee-pee, it will end and blend together and it will become as a pee-pee vanilla. This pee-pee vanilla will drive your wife crazy because it's very difficult to live with a pee-pee vanilla. The tube shows me the process how I clean your Oriental Rug, and it shows it clearly. And when the tube is completely clear, I know I complete the cleaning process. Please stay tuned. Come with me to the warehouse and listen how the machine performs. After we clean the Oriental Rug from all the urine crystal and the tube, show me clean. You have to be clean. The same water coming from the top, the same cleaner coming from the bottom. When we complete the service, we vacuum the rug, some of them, not all of them. We vacuum the rug by hand, brush the rug, and leave the rug on the floor to dry overnight. Next morning, we can hang the rug. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense? And would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Please call today. Stay tuned and see how we fold Oriental rug for shipping. PetPeePee, thank you for watching. Folding Oriental rug for shipping or for storage the right way. Flip the Oriental rug so the back of the rug will face to the ceiling. Fold the rug the right way. Do not put tape on the rug. Put the rug in the garbage bag. The big 55-gallon drum, 8 by 10, will go perfectly into it. Pictures of the package and text it to 954-594-2564. We will email you the UPS label. Put the label on the bag and we will arrange UPS to come to your door and pick it up. Thank you very much. PetPeePee, Oriental Rug Drapery Cleaning from dog and cat urine odor.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee. My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.